Morning, children. Today, after a gap of with you all, I am again back with you with your SST second chapter. First chapter we have completed, and there we have learned about what is history and what exactly history deals with, and where from the history is getting its information. Now, in the second lesson, we are going to learn the earliest society, that is, the time when human being appeared in world. So you see, at first humans were like this, then slowly they got improved in their structure, their style of walking, and this is the modern man of today. Okay, so let's start the lesson and see what it tells. Now, from the earliest period of human society, there is no written records. So, nothing was written over there in the earliest society. People used to, the historians and archaeologists depend on archaeological remains. Now, in my last lesson, I have already declared what is archaeology. Digging of ground and finding out information is archaeology. Okay, so archaeological remains, from those archaeological remains, the historians, they came to know about the lifestyle of human beings, how they used to live, what was their style of living. Otherwise, it is not possible for the historians to find out anything. So, their studies have shown that evolved first in Africa, from where they gradually spread to other parts of the globe. Globe means world. Globe means world. सबसे पहले human beings appeared in Africa. अफ्रीका का नाम तो आप लोगों ने सुना ही होगा. So, Africa थे प्रथम एसছিলো, and then they started to appear in all over the globe, that is, all over the world. Okay, since the tools used by these early humans were most made of stones, because at that time metals were not so much nicely invented, or people were not known about the metals. So, this period of human evolution is known as Stone Age. Why? Because people used to they were bringing out the equipments or their materials which were all made up of stones. That's why this time was known as Stone Age, or Paleolithic Age, or Old Stone Age. So, three names we are getting: Stone Age, Old Stone Age, Paleolithic Age. What are those? Stone Age, Old Stone Age, and Paleolithic Age. When you actually, the whole the time limit has been divided into three stages. How many? Three stages: Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. Repeat with me: Old Stone Age, Middle Stone Age, and New Stone Age. Old Stone Age was called Paleolithic, Middle Stone Age was called Mesolithic, and New Stone Age was called Neolithic. Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Clear? So, our first journey of knowledge regarding man and its evolution will begin from Paleolithic Age, or the Old Stone Age. The earliest phase of Stone Ages was the Paleolithic Age. The word Paleolithic is a Greek word meaning old stone, although the dates of the old stone varies from region to region. Now, it's quite natural that development of man, or improvement of man, or movement of man is not similar in all over the world. Let me give you an example. 5 children are there. Okay, you are learning one sum. Consider it to be an addition. One of the 5 children, he said that I understood. The other ones understood a bit late. The third one, he wanted to repeat the sum once again. The fourth one, before starting, he has done the sum. And the fifth one, he kept on thinking, putting his hand on the cheek, how the addition is done. So, why these variations? Because individual people are different in their instinct, in their nature, in their behavior, in their capacity of grabbing or grasping something. ठीक है, तो एक एक इंसान का इम्प्रूवमेंट और ग्रोथ एक एक जगह पर एक एक वक्त पे शुरू हुआ. इसीलिए यहाँ पे बोल रहा है that the time of their starting of this age varies from place to place. Somewhere it is from the early stage, some a bit later, then some a bit more later. That doesn't mean that the stage has not been there. Every time the stage has come, but it varies from place to place. Okay, it is generally believed to have lasted between 2.5 million years ago to about 10,000 BCE. BCE, in your previous lesson you have understood, before Christ or before Common Era. The Paleolithic was therefore the longest phase of Stone Age, extending for over 2 million years. It was 2.5 million years ago, and Paleolithic extended for 2 million years. 2 million years तक ये एज कंटिन्यू कर रहा चला. इंसान को इंसान बनने से शुरू करने से मिडिल एज तक जाने में he took 2 million years time. Clear? Now, what was the food habit of the person or the human beings at the time? Actually, they used to have raw flesh. They were hunters. প্রথমে তারা খাবার বুঝতো না. Then when they started to feel hungry, then they searched for food. Somehow or the other, they have tasted something and they understood this is flesh and this can be eaten. They were hunters and gatherers. Hunting animal and gathering fruit, nut, berries for food. Thus, in this phase, they lived a life of nomads. They were forced to move. Nomads means when there is no specific place to live. নির্দিষ্ট কোনো জায়গায় ওরা থাকতো না. They were not stick to one place because they did not have any house. They did not have a specific area to live. They did not have any specific space to spend their life. Wherever they used to get the blank area, they used to sleep. Only they understood the feeling of hunger, bhook, khide, that they understood. Now, food. The landscape changed due to natural disaster like earthquake, flood or drought. These are the natural disasters. Earthquake, you know. Floods, you also know. Drought matlab sukha, khara. যেখানে অনেক দিন বৃষ্টি হয় না, that area becomes drought, dry, so much dry that the land splits up. মাটিটা ফেটে যায়. আচ্ছা, continuous hunting and gathering led to the reduction of plant and animal in that area. In a specific area, if continuously they keep on hunting the animals and gathering food, then there is a specific time. একটা খাবার তৈরি করতে বা গাছে একটা ফুল আসতে একটা স্পেসিফিক সময় লাগে, টাইম লাগে. If you don't give the time, then what will happen? The cycle will get destroyed. Same thing happened. And they shifted from that place to a new area for search of food and water. Okay. Now third, there was an inadequate supply of water. Now water was also not available very nicely at that time. They had to search for water. That was not adequate, inadequate, not in proper amount. Inadequate, not in proper amount. Okay, this was the style of food they used to have. Next we will shift to tools. Tools, jinishpatro, things, materials. Early humans started making tools out of stone for hunting animals and for protection around 2.6 million years ago. This act was of great significance as it showed that the Stone Age humans had started thinking in a manner that set them apart from other animals. Now, slowly, when the time passes out, they started thinking. This thinking developed and their thinking got improved than that of animals. They started to think a bit forward than that of any animal. These tools were made mostly of flint, a special kind of stone that could be chipped easily. Chipped, যেটাকে reshape করে নেওয়া যায়, remove করে নেওয়া যায়, soft stone but soft in nature that can be reshaped. এই flint দিয়ে তারা নিজের জিনিস আসবাব তৈরি করতো. সে for killing any animal they used to need something which is sharp. For grinding anything they need something that is flat but sharp at one edge, like that. Okay, or at that time flint was enormous in amount. They did not have to search along for that. Archaeologists have discovered a variety of crude stones. rough stone tools, খড়খড়ে পাথর দিয়ে তৈরি করা কিছু औजार, ঠিক আছে, such as hand axe, choppers, scrapers, bolas, gold stones, round stones they used to throw to hit an animal. It gets stuck in the head and the animal used to fall, and then they used to stab for their food. Okay, bones and wooden stick were also used to make harpoons of fishing. Bones, you see, I'm showing you the pictures. That will be easy for you to understand. See the tools. See, sharp edge. It had to borrow. This is also there. Crush, and this was flat. So these were the tools which they used to use. I mean, these were of very use to them. So food is clear, shelter is also clear. So this much part, you go through it, study the picture, see what type of tools they used they were used in making themselves comfortable with these types of tools. And in my next session, we will talk about shelter, fire, their language, style of living, how they started to improve it. By the time, go through this part very nicely. Okay, bye bye.